My Apple iPhone 13 mini ranks up there as one of the best iPhones I have ever bought, and I've been on that journey since the very beginning. It's such a small and powerful device, but if it has one weakness, apart from the smaller screen size, which I'm totally cool with, it's battery life. I can get through a whole day of use, but only just. On a lot of days, I need a top-up charge. Just 10 minutes with a fast charger is enough. But what if there was a portable integrated solution that you could use to make the 13 mini the perfect device for all your needs, powering you through your day and more? Well, that perfect companion might just be the Apple Magsafe Battery Pack. Here's how I'm using it. Until now, I've always used a wired cable portable power bank, and that's been great. Portable power banks that charge your phone are super popular, but wireless battery packs using Apple's Magsafe technology offer a simpler and smarter cable-free solution for iPhone 12, 13 and 14 users. And this is especially valuable for 13 mini users who just need that juice in a portable, streamlined form when you're away from charging points. The Apple Magsafe Battery Pack is an intelligent and convenient lightweight power pack that magnetically clamps to the iPhone. It's compact and a smaller battery than its rivals, although they might argue that it's comparatively underpowered with 5 watts charging power when first released. That's now been fixed thanks to a firmware update. With the latest firmware, it will recharge the iPhone at 7.5 watts, which is a big benefit obviously. Attaching the Magsafe battery pack is super easy. The perfectly aligned magnets keep it attached to your iPhone, providing safe and reliable wireless charging. And it automatically charges. There's no need for you to turn it on or off. It will charge a fading iPhone up to around 60%, which should be enough to get you through your day when you have no access to a power outlet. I tend to get more than that with my 13 mini, more like 70%. Its Apple advantage is its smart features that show on-screen battery power icons and safety features that stop charging when too hot or before the phone's internal battery could be compromised, meaning it's good practice to stop charging a phone battery at 90% for long-term battery health. But if you want to bypass that limit for an extra boost, you can. Here's how. Open Control Center, press and hold the low power mode icon, and then tap continue. One downside of wireless charging is that it takes longer because it's relatively inefficient compared to a wired power bank. Standard wireless charging can lose as much as 50% of the portable battery's power. Magsafe wireless charging loses just 30%, still quite a lot. Here's a nice feature to provide super fast charging of both the battery and your iPhone at the same time. Plug the Magsafe battery pack into a power adapter and then attach your Magsafe batteries pack to your iPhone. Using a 20 watt or higher rated power adapter, the Magsafe battery pack can charge your iPhone with up to 15 watts of charging power. You can also charge both if you attach your Magsafe battery pack to your iPhone, then plug your iPhone into a power source. You might want to charge this way if you need to connect your iPhone to another device whilst charging, like if you're using wired CarPlay or maybe transferring photos to a Mac. If you charge your iPhone and Magsafe battery pack at the same time, the smart management system prioritizes your iPhone, meaning your iPhone might charge to 80% or higher before your Magsafe battery pack begins charging. The Apple Magsafe Battery Pack is designed to quickly and safely wirelessly charge your iPhone 13 mini on the go, giving you more time to use your device. And I think that makes it the perfect companion for the 13 mini, solving one of the major shortcomings of the device. This is Apple Plus, and I'm Saab Johal. Check out this video next and consider subscribing. See you back here again soon. Cheers.